First of all, the prosecution is not claiming victory at this early stage. As we've stated, we just said that we're pleased with how the first day of presentation of witness went, because despite the repeated attempts to stop us from presenting our evidence, we prevailed and were able to do that. Now, tama ho yan, no? Kami, again, to be fair dun sa other party, they were just doing their job, no? In-expect naman talaga natin yan, no? They will raise objections. But fortunately, sa aming side, we were able to counter them, and impeachment court allowed us to present our evidence. So, naniniwala ko kami doon, no? Hindi ito paramihan ng objections at paramihan ng favorable ruling sa mga objections na to. Patibayan mo ng ebidensya to, and that's our goal.
Malakas po kasi ang kiliti ni Kong Zia. So medyo nakiliti siya. Nakiliti siya kahapon. Kasi alam naman po natin, halos magdadalawang taon na po ito bago nag-umpisa yung trial. So yung pagkasabi niya ng panalo, the mere fact na mapepresenta na po yung ebidensya, magkakaroon na ng trial, is a victory in itself. Klaro naman po yun sa prosecution, sa sentiments po ng mga sentiment survey, sa iba't ibang survey. Tansya ko po, kinilig siya ng konti. Pero again, as explained by Attorney Tolosa, mahaba po yung proseso. Kumbaga, these are the early steps. And sabi nga po, maganda na po na tumatakbo na po itong ating impeachment. It's a big first step for every Filipino.
Alam mo, Red, nasa diskarte nila yan. Tulad nga ng sinabi namin sa iyo kanina. Diba? Fairness to them. They're doing their job, no? They'll do their job, they'll try to object our questions, and we'll do ours, which is to present evidence. Diba?
Okay, let's listen.
Okay naman, if it goes the same way na it went yesterday, then I'm sure the defense will make some adjustments.
Yes.
They want to have a good day also, di ba?
Okay, thank you, Kong. Thank you.